Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. As you guys can see, we're back here in the Philippines, back in lovely Manila. I'm here at my condo. In today's episode, I want to talk about two things. Unang-una sa lahat, a Magic the Gathering card that currently has a standing offer of $1 million. So ito, pag napull din nyo sa booster pack, may gusto nang magbayad ng $1 million or 55 million pesos. What the F, di ba? Pagkatapos nun, I just want to talk about the sneaker that kind of reignited my love again for shoes. Kasi medyo nawala tayo a bit from sneakers, medyo nagsawa ng slide. But alam mo, it's amazing because this one doesn't look super spectacular. It doesn't look super unique. But it's what got me super interested and hyped back again into shoes. O, di ba? So, tara, let's go! So, simulan natin dun sa Magic card. The Magic card I'm talking about is the One Ring. To those who don't know, Magic the Gathering has a collaboration with the Lord of the Rings, and they are coming out with one card inside all of the collector booster packs that you can buy. Isa doon, meron one of one ring. As in, serialized siya, nakalagay one of one. It'll be the only one in the world, and because of the hype, because of the love for Lord of the Rings, and I guess the hype culture when it comes to trading cards and collectibles, lalong-lalo na sa people who came from NBA cards and people who just want to rip open packs and get expensive stuff, sobrang nag-shoot up na yung price niya even if it hasn't been pulled yet. Start yan guys, people were saying we will buy it for 150,000 US. Then a few weeks later, somebody posted an offer of $250,000 US. And then just recently, someone posted that he's willing to buy it for 500,000 US or $500,000. And just this morning when I woke up, kaya ako to sinut bigla, nakita ko na someone posted that they're willing to buy it for $1 million, 55 million pesos. Boom! Gusto nyo lang ng one ring for $55 million. Ito nabili ko sa New Zealand, oh. Yan yung wedding, yung nasa taas, yan yung wedding ring namin ni Mrs. Yung isa naman, yan yung the one ring na silver na nabili ko when we took our vacation in New Zealand. Binili ko siya sa New Zealand because of course, maraming scenes ng Lord of the Rings were shot there and this is actually an official license. But yeah, hindi yan yung point. Pinapakita ko yung sing-sing ko. Yung point is, a Magic the Gathering card, one of one, $1 million, boom! So you're probably thinking, Magic card na ganun kamahal? Meron na bang ganun in history? Well, from what I've researched, Post Malone, who is a big Magic the Gathering fan, actually paid, I think, 800,000 US, thereabouts, for his Black Lotus, which is one of the rarest cards in Magic the Gathering. However, there are multiple copies of Black Lotus. Etong ring na to, this is a one of one. Dusty, say hi to the vlog, say hi to the vlog. Oh, namiss kayo ni Dusty, guys. Yan si Dusty. Oh, Dusty, oh, Juju. Oh, Juju. Hello, humans. We miss you. This is Panda. Panda, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, Panda. Oh, Juju. Oh, Juju. He said that if kayo, magbubukas kayo ng collector booster boxes ng Lord of the Rings Magic the Gathering, tip lang, number one, don't do it in public. Pag gawin niyo yan in public, either in a Magic event or at a tournament or somewhere, baka lang it might invite a lot of jealous eyes. So, ang best suggestion ko, if you're going to try or if you're going to open Lord of the Rings collector box boosters, do it at home, do it in private, wear gloves because you never know if you'll get it. I mean, it's a 1 in 3 million, 4 million chance, but malay mo, it's your lucky day. And immediately sleeve it, top loader it, and set it aside and talk to someone knowledgeable, be it a lawyer, a bank, or someone na pwede kang tulungan in being able to maximize your luck in pulling that card. Don't do it in public, guys. Baka gawin nyo in video, dumugin pa kayo ng comments. So, yun lang, tip lang para sa inyo lahat na susubok. So, yun yung tungkol sa cards na gusto ko na ikwento sa inyo. Yung Lord of the Rings, I think, drops pre-release, I think June 16, and the collector box booster should be out June 22, 23 here in the Philippines. So super excited for that. Anyway, going to the sneakers that reignited my love, again, back for shoes. If you watch my previous videos in Singapore, it's pretty obvious. This is it. This is the New Balance 990 V6. And I am super in love with the shoe. I mean, everything from the design, to the quality, to the comfort, to the story, to the heritage. Whew! Sobrang panalo niya talaga. Yung hindi lang panalo sa kanya, SRP. Kasi yung SRP niyang New Balance 990 V6, I think I paid like 300, basta mga 14,000 pesos yata converted yung ginastos ko para sa ganyang sapatos eh. But again, it's made in the US, inflation, churba-churba, kaya siya mahal. Now, why did it reignite my love again for shoes? Well, simply put, I researched again on the New Balance story, where they are now. Didn't even know that Teddy Santis was the one designing, and he has an upcoming collection that will be coming out that looks super insane. And that got me excited because one of my favorite shoes from Teddy Santis and New Balance that I recently got, I think recently, nabili ko to in Dubai. Tagal na no? Dubai pa to, guys. Dead stock pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Diyan pa yung tag. Yan, no? Kung hindi nyo na pa rin yung Dubai vlogs ko, I will link it down below. Ang ganda lang talaga, ang linis. I super love the design aesthetic. Hindi na siya sobrang loud, sobrang colorful, sobrang insane. It's the right amount of pop. It's the right amount of class when it comes to the shoe. Perfect comfort, or perfect mix of comfort and aesthetic. By the way, just to show you, I'm a 990 guy at heart talaga. So this one is the 998. This one naman is the 990 V4. Limited edition 1982 kasi ginawa tong sapatos na to or linabas to 1982, which happens to be also my birth year. Ganun na po ako katanda. So upo sana ulit ako dito. Pero tingnan ninyo. Tingnan nyo. Inupuan ni Dusty yung upuan ko. Oy, Dusty, sir, paano ako po? Ano gawin natin? Ha? Uy. Joke lang. Ito talaga. Sensitive. Anyway, so, ayan na siya. Dusty, say hi to the vlog. Galit na, oh. And then, yan. Yan. Malambing yan. Love you, Dusty. Sorry na po. Anyway, guys, so, yun yung gusto ko kwento sa inyo. By the way, I got a lot of comments from the previous video asking, medyo mainit sorry, pinapawisan ako. A lot of comments asking if there was a full video of the interview with Ninong Rai and DJ Big Boy Cheng during UnboxCon. The good news is we uploaded that video already on the Project 721 YouTube channel. I will link it down below. So if you guys want to watch the full interview, the full fireside chat that I had with those two amazing gentlemen, you can find it linked down below in the comment section, the Project 721 YouTube channel. Also, I will link down below to the UnboxCon wrap-up video that we did. Panoodin nyo yun, hindi nyo pa napapanood. And lastly, I have a question for you. Kung katulad nyo ko, na parang tumigil muna sa sapatos, tapos na pabalik, ano yung sapatos para sa inyo, na para sa akin yung New Balance 990 V6? Yung nakita ninyo at binili nyo at sinuot ninyo, parang nahatak kayo pabalik into the world of shoes. Comment down below because I'm genuinely curious if there are the same people who experienced it kind of like me, and I'm curious what those sneakers are for you guys. Anyway, so yun lang, just a very short, sweet, simple vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. I'll see you again. Like I promised, I'll try my best to deliver you 2 to 3 personal vlogs like this on a weekly basis. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.